Nice to be back, S7R, with another video on a super fast car. How are you guys? Thanks for watching. I'm with Cam Visuals today, and we're actually heading out. We just stopped by at the Fort Dunlop building, just to capture the intro. Actually, keep it a little bit exciting. You know, look at this for a building, structurally beautiful. Thanks for coming back though, guys. Thanks for watching the content. If you've been following, we're going to be filming a Ford Fiesta ST2 Turbo today. Small car, absolute pocket rocket standard. We're talking 180 bhp straight from the factory. This car we're going to see, Ezra's car. I will tag him below and above and wherever else. Is actually past stage 2. I'm sure it's about stage 3. We'll find out the stats when we go and see him. It's an absolute pocket rocket. I don't know if you saw the video, the last video. Absolutely amazing. This car had so much fun in it. Boom, absolute rocket. The kind of car for a 1.6 petrol front wheel drive that'll take out S3s, Golf Rs, RS3s. Goodbye to you all. This thing is taking you all out. But let's go check it out. And let's see if it really is what I'm saying it is. Where is Ezra? We need the Fiesta ST right now so we can show this 325 Another pocket rocket, a different class altogether in comparison to a Fiesta ST, which is of course smaller. Probably, well, half the size really, 1.6 in comparison to a 3 litre. The 135i, a rear wheel drive car, so it would have similar difficulty getting off the line with a lot of power pumping into 2 wheels, just like the ST, which is front wheel drive. So when Ezra was explaining to me about the power this car develops and the stages he's taking it through, my concern was, how does this thing not just spin on the line? You know, you're trying, let's launch, let's go, you know. So this is why we're filming on a dry day, so we can at least get some grip. This is the kind of power this car is generating. Sat nav, sat nav, sat nav. Good and right. Now, generally, the fastest cars out there are often some of the lightest as well. Now, the Caterham really brings weight to the table, weight reduction to the table. No roof, no doors, no boot. So this is really what you'd call a bullet. I'm guessing this has probably got a 1.6 litre engine. A lot of the body, a lot of the kit cars have a high. That's nice of it. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I love people like that.
Have you drove past Asda yet?
Minworth, Asda Minworth.
Yeah.
Past there. We're just next to a Caterham.
Next to where, sorry?
You know, one of them Caterhams. Trying my best to memorize all the different mods on this car. It's not happening, so I'm going to read it out. I'm going to run you through. I don't want to talk too much about this car, so I'm going to tell you what's been done to it, and then we're going to let the car do the screaming. The engine bay, let's start with that. Apart from a crossover pipe and a change of air filter, there's not much obviously change. So it's all stage 3 AIRTEC intercooler. This is like that one, right? ROTA grids, the wheels, 17-inch. The brakes, you've got Fredo DS 3000 pads on the fronts and 2500 on the back. Shouldn't be telling you this. The front pads are race pads. They're supposed to be used on a track. However, because of the performance and the power this car is providing, it works hand in hand. While you're here, let's mention the KSPORT 304mm big brakes. We've got RAMAIR induction, Pro Alloy crossover, which you saw. It's a hybrid turbo S242. AIRTEC big boost pipe kit, Focus ST 170 rear discs. You can see there. AIRTEC big boost pipe, mentioned that. I mentioned the rear pads, forge, recirculation valve. You've got one of my favourite touches actually on this car is the headlights. You can actually notice them change, and even both top and bottom, they're controlled by an app. I'll run you through it now. Look at that, that's me controlling that there. Now how about that for a personal touch? Something put on by Ezra himself. It's all been done by him, but what a lovely touch. Quirky. Goes well with the car. This toy, it's his weapon. Have a look at the inside. Last time I was in this car, grey bucket seats. This time red. I think a lot of you will agree it sits nice with the red on the car as well. Coming to the back, this list goes on and on and on. Revo Stage 3, they were CEUK Demon Beams, CEUK Halos, Revo Stage 3, MILTEK non-race exhaust. That's about it. And that's just performance. And I forgot to mention £1,000 worth of KTA coilovers. Now, change your badges. Look at them, they're different. That's quite nice. Got the carbon look. Really nice. Wind deflectors, another nice touch. I think is a must on any pocket rocket. Revo stickers, that's standard, but it's a nice little touch by ST, gives it a nice entrance. Wrapped roof, which has been wrapped by day wraps. Check these guys out. Strictly used by Ezra only. He swears by their work, and I will be seeing them soon, maybe for some wrapping on my Mini. Also sponsored by ARNGEEE Photography as well. Check him out, I will tag him in there. I did mention, I hope, the MILTEK exhaust, you'll hear them like I said when we let the car do the screaming. Spoiler as well, look at that, that's nice. Definitely a really nice job on the roof. You can tell just by the finishing. Tucked, can't really see any sign of it had work on it. Let's get into the car and let's let the car do the noising and the screaming and the talking. Let's go. In terms of my own experience with pocket rockets, truth is I don't have much, especially with a stage 3 Revo map car, so I'm going to try and be as safe as I can. Country roads, so got to be vigilant, belts on. Let's go. What defines a pocket rocket? How quickly can it hit rocket stage? And this is hitting rocket stage very quickly. Very quickly. It's making me smile. The car's making me want to fill it up. And sorry Ezra, I'm taking your car, mate. It's got me feeling like an absolute boy racer. Now I can understand it. Third gear, just feathering it. I'm not really giving much yet. Let me come around this bend and we'll show you. Using the gears to aid my braking there, because honestly I didn't expect that. That was the first run. I was about to explain what exactly makes a pocket rocket. Weight, handling, brakes, and how quickly can this thing fly. Now this did it immensely fast. That was me attempting launch control. By the time I run out of second gear by there, I already hit third gear within 5 meters. How about that? 303 bhp. As you can see, launch control started here. By the time I actually gripped the floor, we're over there where the track runs out. Looks like an old EZZZTEEE new tyre. That's how much power this car is pressing into the floor. Michelin Pilot Super Sports, low profiles. That is probably the best grip you would get, but it just really sums up the power this car's throwing. By the time I hit there, I was already in third gear. It's been an absolute pleasure. Spent the afternoon with this 1400 kg machine, 1.6 litre stage 3 Revo map Fiesta ST. I want to say a big thank you to, give him a follow, Ezra, to Day Wraps, Car Enhancement UK, and ARNGEEE Photography as well, who are all sponsors of this car and have helped us make this video today. Another shout out I want to do, more of a memory for Bigfoot. A lot of you may know him in the car world. I myself never met him. However, rest in peace. But I've been S7R. It's getting a little bit chilly since I've had this haircut. Let me put my hat back on. Hopefully, I shall see you soon on the next video or showroom series, whatever it is. Join us next time, and thank you for watching. It's been a pleasure as always.